Alright, today I'm going to do the rear brake on 2017 Honda Pilot. Now, this is the Touring model. Okay. It doesn't matter. All Honda, very much is the same. Okay, very much. Very simple brake. I would say don't take to the dealership. If you know a little bit here and there, you can do yourself. If you can take out the wheels out, you can do the brake on this. What you have to do, take this 12mm bolt out. Okay, and this one is pull up to untie. What you can do, you can use a screwdriver to prise inside here. If you don't have a caliper tool, you can use a screwdriver to pry this caliper in. If you don't have one, you can go to Autopart and renting one. They have the tool that you can renting over there. You can use one of this right here. Sometimes it's too big and I can't press. Let's see. See, it doesn't fit because it's too big. I have another tool to do it, which is this right here, and you can get this renting from Autopart. I know for sure because I renting over there before. And if you don't have this tool, don't worry. A flat screwdriver pry from here to push the piston closing right here is okay. Or you can use a vice grip like this one to press the piston to go in. It doesn't hurt either. But the best way is you have a proper tool to do it is better. But sometimes you don't have one. What are you going to do? You know, you try to save some money, right? So that's all you have to do. Just use any tool that you have. Just do it. You know, even though this is a 2017, the way how you do it is the same as the old day rotor. Back in the 90s, we have rotor already. And all the same things until today. They put sensor on it only. Okay. Now it's done. What I'm going to do, they do supply with a what do you call the brake pad worn out. So you just put this in. Okay, look the same, and put that back inside here. I don't know, I didn't put my camera inside here, but you can do it when you come to this point. You should just, and you only put on one side, you don't have to put on both sides on the pin. Okay, hold it, hold the bottom piece like this, and put the bottom one, top one up, and drop it in. Make sure your caliper is close all the way, because the new brake pad doesn't fit good. If it doesn't close all the way, you have a hard time to forcing. Okay, and if you want to torque this bolt, don't put more than 25 foot-pound. Okay, it's only 12mm bolt here. If you don't torque, just tight enough like this, and you're good to go. That's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye now.